Jai Hind everyone and welcome to my channel India's First Voice. Today we are talking about the remarkable journey of Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, a towering figure. Framji Jamshedji Manekshaw, fondly known as Sam Bahadur, was one of the greatest war hero and military leader of India. The first Indian Army officer to be promoted to the 5-star rank of Field Marshal. Sam Indian Armed Forces soon become the household name of India. Spanning 4 decades, he served the country gloriously through 5 wars: World War II, the Indo-Pakistan War of Partition 1947, the Sino-Indian War 1962, and the India-Pakistan War 1965 and 1971. Now talking about early life of Sam Manekshaw. Sam Manekshaw was born in Amritsar on 14 April 1914 to Hormiz Manekshaw and his wife Hila. His father Hormiz Manekshaw was a doctor who ran a thriving clinic and pharmacy in the center of Amritsar. Hormiz Manekshaw had 6 children, 4 sons and 2 daughters, with Sam was being 5th child and 3rd son. Sam completed his primary schooling in Punjab and went to Sherwood College, Nainital. In 1929, he left the college at the age of 15 with Junior Cambridge certificate. Motivating from his father, Sam Manekshaw yearning to be a doctor, Sam asked his father to send him to London to study medicine. But his father refused on the ground that Sam was not old enough. In addition, already his 2 brothers studying in London, so his father unable to support him for medical study. Instead, Manekshaw entered the Hindu Sabha College, which is in Amritsar. There, he completed his study with 3rd Division in Science. In that time, the Indian Military College Committee set up in 1931 to recommend the establishment of a military academy to train Indians for officer commissioned in the army. When the notice for the examination was floated, Sam Manekshaw, in an act of rebellion against his father's refusal, so he applied and sat the entrance examination. He secured 6th rank among the 40 selected cadets in IMA. Now talking about military career of Sam Manekshaw. Sam Manekshaw commissioned on 4th Feb 1935. He was posted to the 2nd Battalion Royal Scot stationed at Lahore. Later he was posted to 12th Frontier Force Regiment stationed in Burma. During World War II, considering the wartime conditions and shortage of qualified officers, Sam Manekshaw was a double promotion. Sam was in command of a company of his battalion when his battalion was ordered to counterattack the Pagoda Hill position, which had been captured by the enemy, and chance of survival was very low. But Meher Singh forced him to treat Manekshaw. Manekshaw regained consciousness, and when he replied that he was Major General, David Cowan spotted Manekshaw clinging to life. So, fearing that Manekshaw would die, that person cannot be awarded a military cross. When the partition of India, Sam Manekshaw Unit 12 Frontier Force Regiment became part of Pakistan Army. He had an option to join over 1947, capturing Domel and Muzaffarabad. At the time of signing of the instrument of commanding GOC 26th Infantry Division on 20 December 1957. While acting rank of Major General, Manekshaw was promoted to Substantive Major General on 1 March 1959. Now talking about the role of Manekshaw in Indo-Pak War 1971. When the demand for the greater autonomy for East Pakistan was rejected by the West Pakistan government, a secessionist movement with violence was started in Bangladesh. This action killed thousands of East Pakistanis and forced millions moved to flee to India. Knowing fully well that the refugee crisis would put a strain on the country's economy and present with an opportunity to outfox its rival, India decided to assist in the formation of new nation of Bangladesh. The India-Pakistan War of 1971 was about to begin. In April 1971, when Indira Gandhi summoned a cabinet meeting, the main agenda is how India free East Pakistan from West Pakistan with the help of army. In this meeting, Sam Manekshaw also summoned. Indira Gandhi asked to Sam Manekshaw that due to the worsening condition in Bangladesh, the number of refugees coming to India is increasing. What is Army Chief Sam doing to solve this problem? Sam Manekshaw replied, I am not doing anything in this matter because when Indian PM Indira Gandhi with the help of RAW and BSF sowed the seed of rebellion against the Pakistan and Bangladesh, she did not consult Army Chief Manekshaw before doing so. In such a situation, Manekshaw himself cannot doing anything for the refugee crisis that has arisen due to a wrong decision of Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi said that she went the army to attack Pakistan because only by doing this problem can be solved. Sam replied that if you are ready for war, then there will be war, but I am not ready for this war. Then Manekshaw explained that this is the end of Afrail Himalaya. Passes are opening and there can be attack from China. And also in April and May, there is a peak of harvest, so food grains transported by train and trucks. If armies attack on Pakistan, the army need railway line and transport vehicle to transport army tanks and vehicle. By this, there is a scarcity of food grains in India. And there is also a problem of monsoon in northeast states due to a heavy rain and sliding, because this is not an approach time for war. Sam Manekshaw plan is the Indian army use guerrillas to cut off Pak supply line and cut off their communications. On December 3, 1971, Pakistan planes attacked Indian airfield in western India, and this started a war. Sam Manekshaw combined arms strategy which stopped any help from western wing made it possible for the Indian army to wipe out Pakistan resistance in the eastern theatre of the war. Sam Manekshaw asked the Pakistan force to give up without condition on December 9, 1971, when the Indian army had taken over all of the key locations was almost top of Dhaka. Sam promised that they would be treated with respect and that the possible of East Pakistan would not be angry with them. On December 11 and 15, this message was broadcast. After a meeting of a Secretary Council failed, Pakistan top general realized there is no point in keeping the conflict going. As a result of the end of the Bangladesh, India's first Chief of Defence Staff. After the Bangladesh victory in Nepal, Sam Manekshaw was honoured as Honorary General of the Royal Nepal Army by King Mahendra Singh a sword. From here, the trend of giving the title of Honorary General to the chief of each other's armies started between Nepal and India. The Bharat Ratna to India's most popular soldiers, Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, but it cannot be succeed. Sam Manekshaw was only person who addressed Indira Gandhi as Prime Minister instead and Madam. Some bureaucrats were shocked. Manekshaw died at 12:30 am on June 2008 at the age of 94 Wellington Military Hospital in Tamil Nadu. The last word of Sam Manekshaw was I am okay. This shows the courage in memory of victory achieved under Manekshaw's leadership in 1971. All about today's session. The complete story of a great leader in Indian history who was not scared from anyone in his life. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, share it to your friends and comment it.